Thank you for your opportunity. Now I would like to explain you my innovation. So my innovation is Noribo, Nori Rainbow from Indonesia. But before that, let me introduce myself. My name is Yunus Anugrah Sani. I'm 19 years old. I'm inventor from Indonesia. I'm student in Marine and Fishery Polytechnic of Bone. Now I make Noribo. It's Nori Rainbow. This is a new innovation from Indonesia. So who don't know nori? It's popular fruit from Japan. It's a seaweed. You can eat nori as additional food with rice or potato, and you can eat nori as snack and etc. So nori is a seaweed from seaweed type Phorphyra species. It's very abundant in South Korea and Japan ocean. So Phorphyra is very abundant in Korea and South Korea, sorry. And but in Indonesia don't have Phorphyra species. So until now, Indonesia just import nori from Japan, Thailand, and South Korea. So until now, Indonesia just imported nori from Japan, South Korea, and Thailand. Why Indonesia don't can make nori? Because Indonesia don't have Phorphyra. So I make nori from seaweed type Euchema cottoni. It's very abundant in Indonesia. So you can see my my new innovation is Noribo. It's a Nori Rainbow seaweed from type Euchema cottoni. So it's nori from seaweed type Euchema cottoni. So I give color for my product to interesting customer and can appetite customer. And why I say Euchema cottoni is very abundant in Indonesia. So I will give you three information about seaweed in Indonesia. So the first is Indonesian about seaweed. So in 2010, 2018, Indonesia is #1 country export seaweed in the world. Indonesia contribute 30 million tons export, 14% export seaweed in the world. So it's so very great. It's so fantastic great. And the second information for the 14% export in Indonesia, the most of seaweed types in Indonesia are Euchema cottoni, Grasilaria, and Caulerpa species. And the third information, by the way, Indonesia have 34 provinces, and I live in province Sulawesi, South Sulawesi. In my province, product 3.5 Euchema cottoni in 2019. It's so fantastic. And now I will like tell you how to make Noribo. So I will tell you how to make my innovation. So before you make, you must prepare your tools and ingredients. This is a tools and ingredients. The tools blender, measuring cup, pen, skisser, blend, stirrer, pegs, tube, baking sheet, and oven. And ingredients is pepper, seaweed, water, garlic, salt, oil, turmeric, dragon fruit, and pandan. And how to make Noribo? So the first step is you must washing the seaweed. You wash the seaweed to separate from the mark till it's totally clean. So you must washing seaweed totally clean. When your seaweed totally clean, you can go to the next step. And the second step is soak the seaweed for 3 days to simplify the extract process and get the soft taste. And the third step is after the soaked seaweed, you have to wash again to get seaweed totally clean. So you must wash again to get seaweed totally clean. And the fourth is destruction. So you must pour 1 or 2 eggs of water and blend the seaweed until it's look like porridge. So you must blend like looks like porridge. The goal of this step is to simplify the extracting and molding process. And the next step is cook the seaweed. Finally, we can cook the seaweed. Cook the seaweed for 13 minutes. You can put seasoning like salt in your seaweed and also add color. When you get a red color, you must add dragon fruit like a picture, And get a when you get a yellow nori, you must add turmeric. And when you get a nori green, you add the pandan. So the coloring from natural ingredients, it's a good very for health. And the next step is molding and drying. So you must molding to the dress that has been tropical oil. After molding, also condit drying and the under sun or oven until 30 to 16 minutes. And the last step is baking the seaweed. Finally, we move to the last step. The baking step, you can bake 20 grams of seaweed in each pack. So you can pack 20 grams into one pack. So superiority the Noribo. So I will tell you the superiority the Noribo. This is a product, and the first superiority is Noribo has a lot of fiber, which is very good for her. So it's very good for her because contain fiber. And the second is have a color. So Nori have a color can interested the customer, and color in nori from natural ingredients, so it's so good for her. And the third is lower price. So Noribo is lower price compared to other nori product in Indonesia because this is a local product. And you can buy Noribo in US dollar in, in in three pack in $1, just $1. So it's a very lower price. And the fourth is Noribo na contain magnesium glutamate. Maybe that's by the way, for your information, Noribo has joined exhibition in Bone, South Sulawesi in Indonesia, and Noribo get a good response for a visitor in exhibition. Maybe that's all for me. Thank you for attention and question.
Thank you. Thank you. Yunus, are you actually selling this now?
What can you?
Are you selling this now? The Noribo? Are you selling it?
Yes, this is a Noribo.
Right. But you are selling it now, yes?
Shopping?
Selling.
Show?
Are people buying it?
Yes. So Noribo have, but now I'm not production because this is a new innovation. So we must test in labs for. So I don't sell my product in in market because my product must pastor test in
Hmm.
lab.
Yes, yes. But have you given this product to your friends? Do they like it?
Yes, my friend very like my product. She very like because this is a new innovation and this is a local product. Uh, and my friend is very proud because uh, maybe I can grow my product because it's a it's a new nori from Indonesia because Indonesia don't can product nori, so I make nori from Euchema Cottoni. It's very abundant in Indonesia. Indonesia don't have nori because Indonesia don't have Phorphyra species. Phorphyra species just abundant in Japan and South Korea.
Have you tried giving this to somebody from Japan or South Korea to see if they like it?
No,
No.
yes,
Can you mail some of this to me? I would love to taste it.
yes.
Yes. If I will
If you
send you
want,
my address, and I will send you some money, and I want you to mail some to me so I can taste it.
you want this?
Yes.
Wow, it's so very fantastic.
And then
No,
I
no.
want you to send some of it to me, Jake, so don't eat it all.
Well, I'm sorry. I have to,
And I think I missed because I was putting Yunus on Facebook, so I might have missed. Were there different flavors?
No, it's the traditional nori, but it's just made not out of the different
Okay.
material.
Wasn't sure if there was flavoring added because there's pictures of flavors all over, so I thought
Thank you
maybe
for
there was.
attention. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you.